You're also gonna need to drop this lower radiator hose to drain your coolant. Volkswagen does not have a drain on their radiators. Alright, the mount is loose. You just want it to be able to move, so when you're putting it back on, it's a little bit easier to line everything up. I'm going to take our jack, I'm going to loosen it slowly. The engine comes down, and we can access this bolt. The Allen head bolt on this pulley is going to be a 9mm. We're going to get those three off, pull the pulley off, and then that'll access 3 bolts behind it to pull the water pump out. Alright, so here is your water pump without the pulley on it. You have 3 bolts that are triple squared. Basically, it's a star with about 10 points on it. Alright, so even though we've drained the coolant, we're still going to put a tub underneath it, because once you take the water pump out, there's still going to be more coolant in it. Alright, once you got the water pump out, you just want to come and kind of wipe it off. Get the surface really clean, so that way when you put the new one on, it's got a good seal. Alright, here's the old water pump and here's the new water pump. We're going to take this gasket off right here, and they also supplied an O-ring, and then we'll get this put back in.